Get ready for the ultimate Maretime Bay tour!
Yeah, I can't wait. Tours! Ooh, I'm gonna see this, I'm gonna see that, I'm gonna see... Total darkness.
Izzy!
I thought all the unicorn traps were disabled. Note to self, check traps first.
A little help here.
The release button isn't working.
Then how are we gonna get her out?
Fine, this will be fun. I've never been a box before.
But I planned the tour with stops I knew each of you would love. Izzy can't do a tour in a box.
Ooh, you just gave me an idea. Is it levitating? Did I do it? Am I a levitating box?
This is ridiculous. You can't even see.
But I can use my imagination.
Tour's canceled.
Huh?
Wait, Hitch, look!
Okay, fine. Right this way. Our tour begins with the Maretime Bay Town Square. Last stop, the beach.
Wow.
I thought you'd love this, Izzy.
I do love it, Hitch. My favorite place in all of Maretime Bay. We're looking at a parking meter, right? Oh, I love those things.
That is it. We have to get Izzy out of there now. Will nothing open this adorable cube prison?
Don't you ever give up, Hitch. We just gotta think. Me and you, Pony and Box.
Oh! Izzy!
Izzy! You have got to be kidding me. My perfect tour. Ruined!
Hey there, Hitchy Poo. What's wrong, buddy?
This tour was supposed to show you that Maretime Bay is an amazing place to live.
Hitch, mission accomplished.
Huh?
We just had a blast. And it's all thanks to you.
Yeah, I've always wanted to see the Louvre. It's like a totally famous museum.
And how cool was that ropes course? I'm definitely going to check that out.
So, you all like Maretime Bay?
We love it!
I feel more at home
Best
now.
tour I've ever been on. Seriously.
See, Hitch? When something doesn't go to plan, you just have to wait for it. Think outside the box!
That is so funny. Because I'm inside a box.
Outside the box. Aha!
I'm a unicorn again! We made some good memories, though. Didn't we, Box? Now I can take the real tour.
Right this way, and you'll see.